Hi, what's up, and today we're going to review and unbox the condenser microphone called the BM-800, and we are also going to unbox and see the working mechanism of this all microphone, including the phantom power supply, and also we are going to set up the tripod microphone stand. Well, this microphone adopts the exacting complete electronic circuit control and gold-plated diaphragm capsule. While this microphone is a quite budget microphone and it doesn't require you guys to have a lot of big wallet for you guys to purchase it, you guys just need a few things that you must have before you going to purchase the condenser microphone, which are of course the phantom power supply or an audio mixer and respective XLR cables from male to female for of course the phantom power supply. And if you guys have all of these things, then you guys have no problem. Of course, this condenser microphone is going to work at its full performance. So before starting, make sure you subscribe my channel. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So now we're going to unbox the condenser microphone, and these are all the main package contents that we get when we open the box. And this is the instruction manual to read the basic instructions and the specifications of the condenser microphone. And here we get the foam filter for the noise reduction or noise cancellation effects. Then we get the microphone stand. Basically this stand is used for an arm stand. If you guys have an arm wrench or a hydraulic stand like microphone for used for streaming, then you're going to use this one. Well, here we get the XLR cable. Basically this is the main cable that helps us to connect the microphone to directly into the PC, and it is for a female XLR cable to the microphone jack 3.5 mm, and well, it is quite very durable and very solid quality. And here finally we got the microphone, condenser microphone itself, and it's looking quite fabulous and quite solid, durable, and its weight is quite heavy as you can feel it. And yep, it's quite worth it for the money. And now let's move to the installation and unboxing of the microphone tripod stand. And here we have installed the condenser microphone on its tripod stand, and it looks quite perfect on its spot. And now let's move to the unboxing and installation of the phantom power supply. So here we have the 48-volt phantom power supply, and now we're going to unbox it. And these are the main package contents that we get in the box of the phantom power supply. And this is the phantom power itself, and it's quite I would say it's quite durable and it's solid in quality. So here we have the input slot for the XLR cable, where we're going to put the male XLR cable, and then the output we're going to put the female XLR cable, and then there comes the AC 18 watt, which is used in powering the phantom power itself. And then in the box we get the instruction manual for the phantom power supply, and then we got a box, and let's see what's inside of it. And then we see the AC adapter for the phantom power supply, and I would say it's quite heavy and durable. And now for the installation, we're going to put the female XLR cable directly into the phantom power supply in the output channel and plug the other side of this cable, which is the 3.5 mm the microphone jack, directly into the USB sound card or any onboard integrated sound card on your PC. Or you can also connect it with your smartphone or your laptop or any other device that you want this condenser microphone to be connected with. And now we're going to power on this phantom power supply, and for doing that we need to plug in our AC adapter directly into the power source. And now here comes the XLR cable from male to female. Now we're going to connect the male XLR cable right into the input channel in the phantom power supply, and this cable is quite very compulsory in order to make this phantom power supply work for your condenser microphone. And now the other side directly into your microphone. Basically the phantom power supply is a hub between your PC and a condenser microphone. And now I powered it up, and as you can see the light shows up, and this means that the phantom power is powered on and it is directly connected to the PC. And soon I will also make another video for the sound quality test, that how does the sound feel with phantom power supply or without the phantom power supply. I've also tested the condenser microphone without the phantom power supply, and to be honest it doesn't sound quite good, and I have to use a lot of microphone boost to get the voice detection level in the microphone, which makes the voice quality even more worse. So phantom power is quite very useful and very important in order to make your condenser microphone sounds good. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and like this video, and also share it with your friends and tell me what you guys want me to review next, and peace out.